Hey and welcome to Crypto Lifestyle. So you want to be like Michael Saylor? Well, it's not that easy to stay steady in the market, buying in all the time and build up Bitcoin. But if you use a cloud mining for Bitcoin, well, then it's more easy because you always get the average value of Bitcoin and you can build up generational wealth that you can bring on in just a few years. Now, also with this application, you can get Bitcoin for free. You just use this free computing power things you see there and you can build up. Now you wonder, is this safe? Can I withdraw my Bitcoin? Well, I have done many times and I even made videos about it. Let me now show you what I have withdrawn for now. Let's go over here. So let's go to the wallet. So here, this ones I have already withdrawn, and you see I have just started this for 4 days now, and I have withdrawn every single day. So it's safe because you see you can withdraw, and the coolest thing is it's done through the Lightning Network. When you push the withdraw, basically you get the Bitcoin in just 1 minute, sometimes less, and cost almost nothing to send through the Lightning Network. You can see I'm sending very small values of Bitcoin here, and it's still basically you receive like you see up there now it's 0.00063. Basically, I paid nothing to send it. It's amazing. So I am now building up. You can see now if we go over to view here now, there you can see my paid options. I have now built up a little. I do it realistically. I'm trying to do with as little money as possible. I could have thrown in a few $1,000s, but what is the fun about that? I want to do it in a way so it's everyone can do it and follow me, and you will see and you will thank me in like next bull market when we are then can sell some of our Bitcoin from this and make some good money. So also you can always take advantage of this. This makes sense in the long run. You see, every time you are buying uh, this market here, you see I bought this and I bought this, you get the double. So here for example you have 410 gigahertz and you get extra with this. So soon I will buy this one also. You see it costs 109 real, basically if it's 110, basically that is around $16. So it's very cheap and it's profitable. You will receive your money back and then some. Plus it's a way that you put money in Bitcoin, you follow the average price, because yes, this bull run Bitcoin might go to around 200, 250,000. Next bull run we might see a million. Don't you want a part of that? Let's prepare for it. Bitcoin in the bear market again probably will go down to around 60,000. We will collect Bitcoin through all of that and build up general wealth. I'm not English, so my sometimes specific words I don't manage to say that correctly. It's like sometimes you have a word you don't manage to say. I managed in the start of the video, but I don't manage now. I'm not even going to try. But yeah, so make sure you use the link that you find below the video. Also follow the directions. Make sure you use my referral link, not link, but the code, because you will need to put that into when you install, because this is for Android and iPhone. If you use that one, for once I get a little kickback as I make a little from everything you do, plus you receive also good deals through using my referral code. So make sure you do that. I help you, you help me. It's a win-win. So with that, have an amazing day. It's 25th of December, so it's the first Christmas day. Enjoy the time with your family. This is a way that you can start to make some crypto, build up your Bitcoin portfolio. Let's make some money. Also, make sure you follow me on the videos I do, because I do trade cryptocurrency also. I have been spot on every single time, so you can make money there also. So let's build up some crypto together. Let's make money in this bull market, and with this let's prepare for the next. Everything with crypto is long term. don't think about what money you can make for tomorrow. This you can do with my other videos, but for this, let's build up a big bunch of Bitcoin for the next bull run, and let's make some money again. So what are you waiting for? Have an amazing day.